They come. Woo! I'm telling you.
We are a part of the band.
Yes, we have to be.
Yeah.
Because music is inclusive. It drives us to stand up and move and to re-energize our bodies in the morning. That is Loxley and the Hillside Band with Neville and I am Empress. Clap them. Fabulous. I can't wait. Can't wait to hear more. Good morning, Neville.
Hey, how are you?
I'm fabulous.
Oh, it's beautiful to see you.
It's an honor.
Oh, it's a little loud this morning, isn't it?
Oh, I'm always loud, darling. Loud, black, and proud.
Yes. Could you be just a little bit black and proud and quiet? You can black and proud and quiet.
No, you know, I know what's happening. Because you're over 60, your ears are very sensitive. That happens as you get older, you know? So it's okay. Embrace, you know, your retirement stage, maturity, and the sensitivity of your ears. And I will, for you, tone it down a notch with volume, not in energy.
Well, out of us.
What's up? You good?
I'm great.
Nice.
It's great to see you.
Good
Thank you very much.
Good morning, Jamaica.
Yeah, morning, everyone. You just heard Loxley and the Hillside Band. He's also going to be singing later on as we welcome our friends on OneSpotMedia.com, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat at SmileJamTVJ, and also on TelevisionJamaica.com. It is Wednesday, the middle of the week, almost the middle of the month, September 13, and we're ready to go.
We are
ready to roll.
Ready to roll.
One.
I'm here. I want to big up our friends internationally.
Well, there you go.
On the One Spot, because it's so good that we can connect with you in this day and age, you know, on your phone.
Yep.
So we want to say a special morning to you. Konnichiwa to our friends in Japan.
Genki desu ka?
Yes. Oh, genki desu ka? You're learning. Genki desu arigato. Hey, very good.
Oh, the young ones.
Young ones are good. This morning I woke up, everybody was asleep. I pumped about 6 ounces of milk and left, so that's a warm bath.
How do you do that?
You just get the pump and you just...
You what?
You pump.
The
Well, mine's
pump,
electronic.
the pump you also.
You can hand pump. I didn't hand express. I have an electronic pump, and I pumped about 6 ounces, left it nice and warm for baby.
6 ounces from one side?
6 ounces from one side, yeah.
So
the other one, I feel a little lopsided, but I can hand express on a break in the room because TVJ facilitates new moms.
So you can put 6 ounces from the other side?
I can, yes, and just bag it, put it in the freezer in the hospitality room, and carry it home.
And how long that lasts?
That will last a good 3 months or so till the baby's ready. So
3 months?
You can keep it in the freezer for 3 months, 6 months.
12 ounces of milk for 3 months?
12, yeah.
So you're not going to feed the baby with it?
Well, I normally feed the baby on the road with me. But early mornings like this, I allow her to get her beauty rest. But here it is. For moms out there, you can do it. But I always say, be prepared to pump anywhere, and I encourage establishments to prepare a space for new moms to feel like they can, you know, express and save their milk and just be comfortable doing that.
All right, so that's...
So you asked me what going?
Yeah, I'll say that's all right. That's lesson number 1 on pumping milk. Very simple. All right, so now before I tell you what's on today's show, we know the importance of parents verbally applauding their kids' work. Now watch this conversation with this young man and his mom on the completely different reactions from both his parents when they are praising him for a job well done.
That's all.
So I did one right, and then I'm doing the next day. And so when I finished, Mommy said, and Mommy said that, and when Daddy comes and say, "Oh, you did it!" But I said, Daddy doesn't get upset. He just said, "Good job." He doesn't do it. Good. Oh my God, you did it! Oh, he just does. Good job.
And how does what does mommy do when you do a good job? How does she react? Does mommy get excited?
Like, I love you.
All right, so what are you writing? What does it say?
Yes.
Tell me, no man.
Keep my options over there later now.
So, Kush, what are you doing?
So when I finished doing my writing, so I did one right, and then I'm doing the next page. And so when I finished, Mommy said, and Mommy said that, and when Daddy comes and say, oh, you did it. But I said, Daddy doesn't get excited. He just said, good job. He doesn't do it. Good. Oh my God, you did it. Oh. He does good job.
And what does Mommy do when you do a good job? How does she react? Does Mommy get excited?
Like, I love you.
All right, so what are you writing?
She's just a wimp. So Daddy says good job and Mommy says, ooh, you're such a wimp. Hey, Kush. No, you're a wimp.
And I get excited. But it's so funny.
And Daddy just say, good job, son. That's the way to go.
Say, oh, Kush. Good job.
So you don't have to hit me, so.
That's what I'm going.
All right, so it was our hot topic on Monday and still the talk of the town. Trench Town especially. We catch up with Tremaine Brown, the young man who saved a boy's life from the gully's rapid waters.
Oh, gosh, I can't wait to have that interview. And wouldn't you just love if you could water your money and grow it like how you do your plants? Unfortunately, it doesn't work that way. So folks from Scotia will be stopping by with the financial advice.
And we're advising the men on prostate cancer as we recognize Cancer Awareness Month this September.
Also, we're almost in the middle of September, which means you're already under pressure with back to school breakfast. And we're taking the load off by eating what we grow later on this show.
Well, that's just the easy part of back to school. When it comes to the traffic, things can get infuriating. We share what we do to pass the time later on.
And Loxley won't be the only one taking the mic this Band Wednesday. As you know, every Wednesday I need to band bomb. But this Wednesday, Nev and I are going to feel the karaoke heat, yeah? We're going to do it karaoke style. Digital rising styles now, nothing pound we, you know.
And she.
But nothing's hotter than these hot topics, so let's do it.
All right, so the Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, Olivia Babsy-Gray, she's called for more women to be employed in the construction industry. Apparently, she said fewer than 5,000 women are hired in the industry, which employs about 119,000 individuals. So she says, and I quote, "We have to change that as we work to build Jamaica. In this mission, we cannot afford to overlook the economic potential of half of our country's population." Now, she was speaking at a groundbreaking ceremony for some apartments on Arthur Wint Drive in St. Andrew. That was yesterday. And it's a man's world when it comes to construction. But then you have a lot of women who are capable and have been in, because as I just said, more than or less than 5,000. So that's not enough, but there are women in the industry, aren't they?
You know, what I am not concerned about, which is what I was going to say, what I am observing is that a lot of women are leading in a lot of industries, even from a management level. In university, the ratio of young women to men is like, what, 80-20 now for women to men. When women enter the construction world, which, as you said, most men will say in Jamaica, it's a man's world. What's going to happen? What is going to happen when we see women leading the construction industry? I hope you men are ready. This gender conversation is for an everyday. There's a lot of changes, but I definitely agree with the minister on that one. We need women in all industries because we are capable to do nearly everything a man can do.
In my opinion, that's the key. You're capable. I would never say you should do this or you should do that if you're not capable. And if there are no women capable, then I don't think there should be any women involved, but they are capable. So I'm not into the quota thing or equality. Just because you're a woman, you should be good. You have to have the requisite skills to do what you want to do. And if you do, then it shouldn't bar you whether you're male or female.
And the thing is, women can drive trucks.
Right, that's what I'm saying.
Fix cement.
Yeah, man.
What do you do with cement? Mix cement. We can mix cement.
We can fix it too.
Fix it too. All right, let's continue with what's going on. Cuba, always doing great things and sends hundreds of doctors to the Caribbean islands devastated by Hurricane Irma. 750 health workers are on the road, and we all know that they sent a brigade of more than 600 Cuban health workers who went to Sierra Leone, 2014 that was, to help tackle the crisis of Ebola. They sent 1,200 health workers to Haiti after the nation was hit with an earthquake in 2010. And they are there sending their doctors out to Antigua.
And it's important,
Barbuda.
It's important to note that they were hit by the hurricane.
They were
also.
hit, devastated.
Yeah,
I mean, it was
they were hit by the hurricane, but they still found it.
They have enough.
Yeah, they still found it in themselves to be able to help others, even though they're suffering also.
And we can trace it back.
That's Cuba right there.
That's Cuba right there. I think it was 1960. Cuba had also sent a group of doctors to Chile when Chile was hit with an earthquake. So they're really a country that we must, congratulate and thank for their service across the world whenever people are in need.
Wonderful. All right, we're going to go to birthdays now.
Really?
Yeah, that's where we're going. Happy birthday to Ajani Telfa. From his brothers Alex and Aidan, his mom and dad. Your parents, they love you like crazy, the entire family, and also from me, Ajani. So have a great day, Ajani Telfa, from his brothers Alex and Aidan and his mom and dad. Happy birthday to Mrs. Roberts from St. John's Primary. She's on the red shift, I'm told. So, Mrs. Roberts, I hope you have a great day. It's coming from your husband, Horace, your kids, Heather, and son-in-law, Jamari. And birthday greetings to Lolene Aldridge. Greetings coming from Auntie Claudette, who works here with us, and the rest of the family. So have a great day. Have a great day, Johnny. And
have a great day. I have one. It's a happy belated to Akelia Keane of 11 Jamaica at Denby High School. That's coming from Mr. Clare and all the geography students in grade 11. I hope you heard that. And if you weren't watching, I hope somebody tells you that the team is thinking about you. Happy birthday to all the children, especially those in children's homes, foster care, those who feel that nobody loves them, and it's your birthday today. Don't worry about the presents, the physical gifts. Just know that we are gifting you with positive energy and love from the Television Jamaica team and the Smile team. Lift your head up high. Whoever you are, if you're born today, lift your head, look in the mirror, walk with priority, walk with purpose, walk with passion. And promise yourself that you're going to do something good for you. That's what's going on with our birthday wishes. My people, my people, my people. You have more?
Yeah, granddaughter Heaven, who celebrates her 4th birthday today. Greetings coming from your grandma Linda, Paradise and Sponge, your sisters. This is your one and only brother Gabo. They say they love you and enjoy your day. Happy birthday, folks. Yeah? Happy birthday, folks.
Happy birthday today.